A+ Printing has been around for 31 years now, so it's an old company. We're a trade printer. We've been a trade printer since 1991. We always established a relationship down here in South Florida as a trade printer. We've done a lot of good things over the years, but we were a very localized company that only dealt with very local companies and resellers here in the area. We use competitors of OnPrintShop, and we were very limited. Technology only gets better if you put time and effort into it, and OnPrintShop has been one of those companies that has not stopped improving the technology. As soon as I came on board, I said, I love the technology and I love what you guys have done, and I've been part of the process now for many years, and every year things get better and get better, and that has changed the way we do business. And I was showing some of the statistics of what we've done, and we're talking about 4 times the amount of customers, 5 times the reach. Sales have tripled even during COVID times. So we're talking about just an incredible output because of acquiring OnPrintShop. We've done a lot of integration, so I know not everybody has a high level of automation and technology knowledge to understand what it is, but OnPrintShop is very technology friendly. So if you use your own in-house MIS and you have access to develop that MIS, if you use your own integration with QuickBooks, or in-house we use FileMaker Pro, or we use other in-positioning software. So we went from 11 people between prepress and customer service taking in orders and processing some of the data to 4. So we currently have 1 person in customer service and we have 2 people in prepress, and we produce nearly 450 orders daily. Sometimes we do political times because we're heavy on political printing. We do a lot of signs, yard signs and political printing. You know, our volume doubles, and that is what this website is great about. It can kind of give you a space that you can grow, and you can exponentially grow your business without having to add more people. And this is what is great about. So if you integrate this technology with existing technology and in-positioning technology in your company, you're able to easily go 3 times sales or 4 times sales or whatever you're currently now. I don't know what the size of the company. And it allows for a lot of API connectivity. When you have a system that has a good API connectivity, it makes a world of difference if you want to really invest on growing your company. And not only that it has an API connectivity, a good one already, ask for something. Say, okay, this is what I have in mind that I think it would change the way we do business in my company. OnPrintShop have just an incredible team. And you call, you ask, and they say, okay, let's think about it. You get with somebody on the phone and they will come through for you. And that's what I love about OnPrintShop. I know a lot of the challenges, and I know fears for some of the new users it's just this whole new project, new thing of technology, and we don't know how to manage it. Trust me, let OnPrintShop help you manage it. They're great. They can develop new stuff that you don't have. They can adjust. I mean, our business is very unique in how we do certain things. It gives you all these flexibilities about pricing structures and shipping. I mean, as a manufacturer, as a provider of services, having the right tool with the right combination makes a whole world of difference. One of the reasons why we have taken a more kind of national role is because of OnPrintShop. They have helped move us into the future kind of thing.